What a lovely unicorn, last and only unicorn, such a graceful unicorn with a shiny spiral horn. You ate it with sugar eye, tasty gaskin, tasty thigh. Honey, cutlets are almost ready.
I'm coming!
Water!
Happy Mother's Day, princess!
Wow, what is this all?
Presents for you, to know how much I love you, Mother.
Cute, but you shouldn't have. Presents once a year can't prove our love. These are everyday deeds and attention that matter, and I get a lot of that from you.
Oh, Mother.
I've got a delicious surprise for you too, my beloved mother.
What is it?
We've got unicorn cutlets for the celebration.
Ooh! What a lovely unicorn, last and only unicorn, barbecue under blue sky, tasty gaskin, tasty thigh.